Now, if you talk about AI and how we can leverage AI, look, I mean, think about it carefully. Artificial intelligence is a necessary evil. It's a very powerful thing. We need it, but it can also destroy us. We can literally go to war from an AI. So how do we make sure that we're safe? I think we should start from a consumer standpoint. Consumer behavior should be the leveraging point. What do I mean by that? We should not put the cat before the wheel. Let's not come up with regulations for AI. Let's not come up with a policy framework right now. I think what we should do is design protocols around just consumer behavior and say, how do we make sure that consumer interactions from an AI perspective is safe and sound? If we did that as a test, we use that to get into market, understand AI more, and we can scale. You know, one of the panelists mentioned, gave an example of how AI can be used to scale an SME business. Before this, we would have used enterprise service bus. To use an ESB, your minimum deployment might cost you about $500 to $1 million, right? That ESB will give you all the analytics about the consumer's behavior. Today with AI, literally probably $10, you can have that information. But then at the same time, we've got to be careful in that deployment because you're exposing the customer. There has to be a certain layer of management of that exposure. And I think that's sort of the thinking we should be having. So I say we go from a consumer perspective and use it to develop the ecosystem. Put together, I think that's how regulatory ecosystem can come together to play.